So this is 40. Okay. Then 45 goes to right. 45 goes to right and 32 goes to left. It is similar like ABL tree rotation, and also 55 is there at this side. Okay, so after performing the opposite side rotation, okay, so 40 goes to top and 45 goes to right. Okay, 40 is root node, 45 goes to right and 32 goes to top, up. So then we are getting, this is the or red block tree after inserting 32. Okay, now it is a red block tree or not. Root node is black node. Okay, any two consecutive nodes are red nodes? No. Any in this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. In this path there are no consecutive red nodes. In this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. In this path also there are no two consecutive red nodes. Okay, up to now, up to 32, this is the red block tree. Okay, now we go for inserting. Before inserting 60, this is the red block tree we are getting. Now insert 60. Now 60 is compared with 25. 60 is greater than 25. Then go to the right hand side. 60 is compared with 51. So 60 is greater than 51. Okay, go to the right hand side. 55. Here 60 is compared with 55. 60 is greater than 55. So that is we are inserting 60 to the right hand side of 55. This node can be treated as X. Okay, and its parent is Px and its grandparent is Gx. Okay, so now this is a red block tree or not. Okay, so root node is black node. Any two consecutive red nodes are there. In this path there are no consecutive red nodes. In this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. In this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. In this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. So this is the correct. This is the red block tree. Okay. Now after that 60 we have to insert 57. Okay. Now so insert 57. Okay. Now 57 is compared with 25. It is greater. So then go to the right hand side. 57 is compared with 51. It is greater. Then go to the right hand side. 57 is compared with 55. It is greater than 55. Go to the right hand side. 57 is compared with the 60. It is lesser. Okay. So go to the left hand side. Here left hand side we are inserting 57 to the left hand side of 60. Okay. Now this node is X. This node is X and its parent is Px and its grandparent is Gx. Parent's sibling, here there is no node is there. Okay, so Gx son is not there, it is empty. So Px sibling is also empty. Okay, now we have to check this is a red block tree or not. Okay, the newly inserted node is X, that is 57. Its parent is Px, that is 60, and grandparent Gx, that is 55, and its uncle, parent's sibling, it is empty, or grandparent's son is also sibling, it is empty. Okay, now go to this point. If X and Px are right, this is X and this is Px. Px is nothing but parent of 57, that is 60, that is Px. Px and X are red. Okay, Yes, this condition is true. Root is red. Root is red is false. This is true. This is false. True or false is true. Then which condition we have to follow? Case A, root node is red, root node is black. So case A is false. Then case B, right uncle condition. Here uncle is not there. So go to case C. No uncle. As this condition is true. Case 1, x, px, gx on the same side. X, px, gx are on the opposite side. They are not on the same side. So then go to case 2. X, px, gx on opposite side. Okay. Then we have to follow these three steps. Move x to parent. Move x to parent. This is x. This is px. X can be moved to parent. X can be moved to parent. Then 57 goes to this one. And 60 is greater than 57, then go to this side. Okay, then we are getting, this is the tree we are getting. So this is 25, 14. So here 51 is there. 51 is red. And next one, so this is 40. And this is 55. Next, this is 32. And this is 45. Okay. So now this is this one. This is this one. Now 57 goes to px place. So then what we are getting? That is 57 goes to this place, that is 57. Whenever 57 goes to this place, 60 can be goes to this place. So this is a 60. Okay, then we are getting this tree. Okay, after x, px, gx on the opposite side, first we have to follow move x to the parent. Move x means 57. 57 goes to parent. Parent goes to down. Then we are getting this one. Then, so perform case 1. Perform case 1 means this is case 1. Now this is x and this is px and this is gx. Okay. So change color. So change color. X, px, gx on the same side. Change color. Change color means what are the colors we have to change? So grandparent as red. So now this grandparent is red. Next one, uncle and parent as black. So here uncle is not there. So parent is 57. That is black. Remaining nodes, there are no change. Here this is a 60. There is no change. And here this is a 51. No change. And here 32, here 45, no change. Then we are getting this tree. So this is 25 right hand side, 51, 51 right hand side, 55, 25 left hand side is 14, and 51 left hand side is 40. So this one, and this one, and this one, and this. Okay, now we have changed the color. Grandparent change it to red and parent can be changed to black. Okay, now opposite side rotation. So what is opposite side rotation? So here this is right rotation. This is right, this is x. So this is px and this is gx. Okay, so this is the right and this is the right. Right is there, then goes to left side rotation. So left side rotation is this one. After performing the left side rotation, so then goes to right is there, go to left rotation. Whenever rotation between px and gx, 57 goes to top and 55 goes to down. So now 57 is root node, then left hand side 57, left hand side is 55, then it goes to this place. Then we are getting, this is the tree we are getting from this one. Okay, so this is the red block tree or not. Root node is black node, as condition is true. Any two consecutive nodes or red nodes on a path, this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. So in this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. In this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. In this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. In this path also there are no two consecutive red nodes. Okay, so up to now, so after inserting 60 and 57, so this is the final red block tree. Okay, now we go for insert 12. Before inserting 12, this is the red block tree we are getting. Next, now insert 12. 12 is compared with root node 25. 12 is less than 25. Then go to the left hand side. Here 14 is there. So 12 is compared with 14. So 12 is less than 14. So then go to the left hand side. So this is the 12. This node can be X. Okay. So this is a red block tree or not. Okay. Now its parent is Px and its grandparent is Gx. Okay. Any root node is a black node. Next, any two consecutive nodes are red nodes. In this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. In this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. In this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. In this path there are no two consecutive red nodes. In this path also there are no two consecutive red nodes. So now this is the red block tree after inserting 12. Okay, now insert 13. Okay, where we are inserting 13. So now 13 is compared. Now this is inserting 13. Before inserting 13, this is the red block tree. Okay, now we have to insert 13 in this tree. 13 is compared with 25. So 13 is less than 25. Go to the left hand side. 13 is compared with 14. So it is less than 14. So go to the left hand side. 13 is compared with 12. It is greater than 12. So then we have to go to the right hand side and insert node 13. Okay. So this is X and its parent is Px and its grandparent, that is Gx. Okay. Now this is a red block tree or not. Okay. So root node is black node. Okay. Next, any two consecutive nodes or red nodes on a particular path. So now consider this path. So there are two red nodes are there. Two consecutive red nodes are there. Okay. Now the newly inserted node is X, that is 13. Its parent is Px and its grandparent is Gx. Grandparent son, it is not there. Parent's sibling is not there. So uncle is not there. Okay. Next, X and Px are red. Yes, X and Px are red. Or root is red. Root is not red. This is false. This is true. So total is true. Then case A, root node is red. No, case A is false. Case B, right uncle condition. Here uncle is not there. Parent's sibling or grandparent's son. So it is also false. Then case C, no uncle or black uncle condition. Here no uncle is there. So this is true. Okay. In this one, which case we have to follow? Case 1, X, Px, Gx on same side. X, Px, Gx on the same side. No. So this is one side and this is another side. Okay. So this is false. Go to case 2. X, Px, Gx on opposite side. So X, Px is one side. Px and Gx is another side. So this condition is true. X, Px, Gx on opposite side. So then we have to follow these conditions. Okay. First one, move X to parent. So this is X. Move X to parent. So move X goes to this place. Then Px goes to this place. So then what is the tree we are getting? Okay, 13 goes to this place, 13 goes to this place, and 12 goes to this place. Okay, and the remaining are same. So this is 25 and this is 14 and goes to 13 and goes to 12. Okay, now this is we are getting. Next one, the remaining is does not change, the remaining 3 does not change. So this is 51 and this is 40 and this is 57 and this is 50. And this is 32, 45, 55 and 60. Okay, so 13 can, so here this is left and this is right. Then we go to the right rotation first. Right rotation means 13 goes to this place and 12 goes to this place. This is we are getting. Okay, now so this is after inserting 12, this is x, this is px and this is gx. Okay, so here 2 consecutive nodes are red nodes. Okay, so and its uncle is not there, parent node sibling or grandparent son, it is not there. Then which condition we have to use? Root node is red, this is false. Red uncle condition, here uncle is not there. Case C, no uncle, yes, this condition is true, no uncle is there. Then which case we have to use? Case 1 is x, px, gx on same side. No, x, px, gx are on opposite side. So then go for case 2. Case 1 is false, then go to case 2. Case 2 is x, px, gx on opposite side. Move x to parent. So rotate x to px, gx side. Okay, so move x to px. So that means rotate x to px, gx side. So then this is right rotation. Then we go for left rotation. So left rotation means we go for left rotation. So 13 goes to this place and 12 goes to this place. So then we are getting this one. Okay, now this is x, p of x, g of x. So after that perform case 1. Okay, go for case 1. In the case 1, x, px, gx on same side, change color. So change color means grandparent as red. So grandparent is 14. 14 can be changed as red. 14 can be changed as red. And uncle and parent as black. Parent as black, that is parent as black. Okay. So after performing this one, so but uncle is not there. So only parent is there. Parent can be changed as black. 13 can be changed as black. Next, opposite side rotation. So after that opposite side rotation, so then goes to, so opposite side, this is left rotation, then go for this rotation. So 13 goes to top and 12 goes to left and 14 goes to right. Okay, now grandparent can be changed as red and parent can be changed as black. So this is the tree we are getting after this step and perform case 1 step. Okay, so this is the final red block tree. Okay, so now check whether this is a red block tree or not. So root node is black. Yes, root node is black. Any path contains 2 consecutive red nodes. This path contains 2 consecutive red nodes. No. This path contains 2 consecutive root nodes. No. This path contains 2 consecutive root nodes. No. This path, no. This path, no. This path, no. Now check, this is a binary search tree condition is satisfied or not. 25, 13 is less than 25, 12 is less than 13, 14 is greater than 13. Yes, left sub tree is correct. 51 is greater than 25. Go to the right hand side. 40 is less than 51, left hand side. 32 is less than 40, left hand side. 45 is greater than 40, right hand side. 51, 57 is greater than 57, go to the right hand side. 55 is less than 57, left hand side. 60 is greater than 57, so right hand side. So this is the red block tree after inserting all the elements into the red block tree. This is the final red block tree. Final red block tree. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So Divya Srinivasarao. Thank you.